Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Anton's Meet and Eat, also known as Land of Biltong. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Anton's Meet and Eat does have a large variety of items. Feel free to check them out. And let's go ahead and see how we can get this open. Okay. Some bubble wrap. Little boxes. Big old metallic bag. Some separate bags. And information. Packing slip. And a business card. So let's see, show this off first. Anton's Meet and Eat. And some contact info at the time of shipment. So feel free to check out current contact info for Anton's Meet and Eat, as well as Anton's Land of Biltong, as you can see here. And you can see here, keep refrigerated, consume within 5 days after opening these food type of items that are here. Here's a little bit of an information card. Let you look at that for a few seconds. And also here, some care instructions. So please refrigerate as soon as you get these upon receipt. So we're doing that right afterwards of this. And I can assume that these are some bags to help with storage as well. Thank you. So we got the instructions, a little bit of business card. So let's go ahead and take care of the food items first. So you see here, this is a Thermalast bag, and I did order some extra ice packs because this did come from Texas. And let's see, here we have some of the gel packs. Not that cool, so these have been in transit for a few days. Let's see, we got a whole bunch of stuff here. And oh my god. Oh, thank you. Looks like they shipped some whole bunch of snacks too. Cool. But let's see if I can identify what I had here. I ordered like a 3-pack here. It's kind of a sampler. And these are 8-ounce packages of Biltong. This is an Angus flavor, 100% beef. Again, you can see there it says refrigerate upon receipt. And your nutritional info and ingredient info. A little bit of a view there. Looks very nice and moist. And kind of a date code information there. So looks like just stamps there. Next one is a US Wagyu. So more Biltong, 100% beef. There's your nutritional info there and ingredients. And a little look-see there. And some date information. And the third one is Angus Peri Peri. Also 100% beef, nutritional info, and a different set of ingredients there for the peri peri flavor. So a 3-set sampler of Biltong there, all beef. Then it's kind of covering up this whole bunch of treats there. The other large item here is 1 pound of Cabanossi. So you can see there its nutritional info as well as ingredients. And you get a look-see there at those tubes there as well. And more date info there. So 1 pound of Cabanossi. We also got little bags here. And You can see there the usage of them to help keep moisture from building up in the biltong. Let's take a quick look at the treats here. I think they're color coded. We have some green ones, blue ones, yellow ones, red ones. So let's just pick a few at random here. Original milk chocolate marshmallow eggs. So you can see the design on this one. And we also got a bunch of mallows. Also, this one is a little slightly different design there, as you can see. Baskets of different sorts. This one's a wheeled one. On the red one here, you also see a different type of design. This one holding some decorated eggs. And last but not least, on the blue one, a large basket with some decorated eggs there. So, whole bunch of little snacks there thrown in from Anton's Meet and Eat, also known as Anton's Land of Biltong, with a selection of Biltong and Cabanossi items. Last but not least, ordered a couple of tumblers. So these are 20-ounce tumblers with sliders. This one here looks like the Land of Biltong version. You can see it comes wrapped. And it's your typical style of drink tumbler with a slider lid. Looks like we have another similar business card in there. And the lid comes right off like so. And here we have also the Land of Biltong logo there. Another item, they also carry other merchandise, and this one is for the Ouroboros STYX Hexenhammer logo. So you can see there at the bottom of this the source for the tumbler itself, another business card inside, and they're both the similar types there. But two tumblers, one for Land of Biltong and the other for the STYX Hexenhammer brand. So feel free to check out the large variety of items. These are just a select few that are available from Anton's Land of Biltong, and also known as Anton's Meet and Eat. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.